Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about what is a LAN card. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. According to assignmenthelp.net, so let us define what is a LAN card. Local area network is a network type which links two computers in connection. To enable the connection between two networks, LAN card is required. LAN card is a piece of hardware which is connected inside the linking the computer network using the MAC address for network to work. Ways by which create physical connection, they are OSI layer 1, the physical layer, OSI and OSI layer 2, the data link layer. By using special types of WLAN card, it allows computer to connect using cables and wirelessly. As in increasing technology, wireless type is much preferable for the LAN card is required. Internal working of LAN card is like a computer with the wireless LAN card transmit and receive data via radio waves using spread spectrum technology. It is available in 4 types, followed by A, B, G. Sort of LAN card use having some typical features of a network card, which includes twisted pair. It is designed to use to rate transfer to be ranging from 10 to 1000 megabits per second. So we have here the picture of the LAN card. So let us talk about the function of LAN cards or local area network cards. The purpose of LAN is to create physical connection when it is open door. The first physical interface supported by LAN card through which cable plugs into the card. The interface is well defined in technical documentation, which is the best fit for network cables. The second function is to provide data link. Both of the functions are the theoretical model in networking called Open System Interconnection or OSI. The function of data link of LAN card provides sending and receiving of network binary data and the data flow in zeros and ones from the network to the network card. Then network recognizes the flow of data and check for errors. After that, when you turn on computer with the LAN card, it will show two lights, green and orange. Orange light will come on when data link layer is activated, which this means cable work in the network connected in bits are flowing. Second green light shows network layer is activated now. Types of LAN cards. There are many types of LAN cards. Ethernet is the most common for systems in Apple Macintosh networks are based on Apple's AppleTalk network system. There are some of the things which differentiate one LAN card from another. They are topology, protocol, and media. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is a LAN card or what is local area network card provided by assignmenthelp.net. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.